Hello, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to remove the header menu in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. This opens the themes page. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button, then select Edit Code from the new menu. In the Theme Files page, use the filter to search for base.cs. Click on the base.cs file to open our store's appearance script. This contains all the styling code for our store. We'll scroll down to the very last line of this script. At the bottom, you'll see a blank line. We'll add 2 more lines after. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description. There, you'll find the code to remove the header menu. On that page, click the Click Here button to copy the code. Then, go back to Shopify and paste the code into the blank line we left earlier. After pasting, hit Ctrl+V to insert our code. Once pasted, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes. Now, when you visit your Shopify store, you'll see the header menu has been removed. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.